Hi guys, Candy Toy Box here today. You're going to need a long piece of string, pony beads, a needle, a lighter, and some scissors. And today we're going to make a fingerless glove. It's going to have this hole right here for the thumb. I'm going to do the black and white. You could also do any color that you want. This is a rainbow one. You're going to start off with this pattern here. I did 11, so 1 white, 3 black. You're going to do that 11 times. And we're going to tie this. And I'm going to put my needle on. Alright, and you're going to go through these 2 black beads. Oops, I lied. We're going to go up to this white one. In our pattern, we're going to put on 3 black. And we're going to go through this white bead. So 3 black, and then we're going to go through the white bead. Oops. 3 black, and we're going to go through the white. Alright, so that's what it looks like. I'm going to keep doing that. I'm going to add the 3 black, go through the white. You're just going to continue that until you get to the end here, and then I'll show you how to start the next row. Okay guys, I'm back and I'm at the end here, so I added my 3 black, and I'm going to go through this white and these 2 black. And this is what it should look like. We're ready to start the next row, so the pattern will go black, white, black. So I got a black, white, black, and I'm going to go through the middle black bead here. I'm going to add a black, a white, and a black. And we're going to go through this middle black bead. We're going to get a black, a white, and a black. And we're going to go through this black bead. Alright, so that's what it should look like. I'm going to keep doing that, so the pattern is black, white, black, and then we're going to go through all these middle beads. I'll be back. Okay guys, I'm back. I'm at the end, so I added my last white, black, white, black, and we're going to go through this middle black bead, this black bead, and this white bead to get to the next row. Okay, so the pattern's going to change a little bit. We're going to add 3 white, and we're going to go through this middle white bead. I'm going to add 3 white, and we're going to go through the middle white bead. Three white, and we're going to go through this middle white bead. Alright, I'm going to continue adding the 3 white, and then we're going to go through all these middle white beads, and I'll be back. Okay guys, I'm back. I finished adding all the white beads. This is the last. I have the 3 white beads on here, and we're going to go through this middle white and these 2 white beads. So this is the base of the entire pattern. So we started with the black, white. That was the first row. The second row was all black. And then the third row was the black, white, and black. And then the last row was all white. So now we need to start this all over again. So we're going to start with black, white, black. And we're going to go through the middle white bead. And if you ever forget, you can come back here and look, or rewind this. Alright, so I put the black, the white, black, and I'm going through the middle white bead. Black, white, black, and I'm going through the middle white bead. So yeah, we're just gonna continue these 4 rows over and over. We're gonna need 4. You're gonna add 4 more rows like this, and then we're gonna do the finger hole, or the thumb hole. So I'll be back. Okay, guys, I finished the four rows of the pattern. So the easiest way to base that is on the white. We end on the white. So as long as there's 1, 2, 3, 4, we know we completed the pattern. Now it's time to do the thumb hole. So you're gonna add 3 black, 3 white, and 3 black. Let's see. And we're gonna skip one. So you know how we normally go through the middle here, we're gonna go through the middle of the second one. So it looks like that. And our pattern is black, white, black, and we're going to go through the middle white bead. Okay, and we're going to add a black, white, black, and we're going to go through the middle white bead. We're going to add a black, a white, and a black, and we're going to go through the middle white bead. Going to add a black, white, black, go through the middle white bead. Black, white, black. We're going to go through the middle white bead. Going to add a white, I'm sorry, black, white, black. Go through the middle white bead. Black, white, black. Go through the middle white bead. Black, white, black, and we're going to go through this middle white bead. We're going to add a black, white, black. All right, now this is the end of this row, so we're going to go through this middle white bead, and we're going to go, well, let's pull this through, and now we're going to take the string and we're going to go all the way across here. So we're going to go through this white bead, this black bead, and this white bead. Okay, so we come out right here. We're out of this white bead. Now our next row is going to be all black. So you're going to put 3 black on, and we're going to go through the middle white bead. We're going to add 3 black, and we're going to go through the middle white bead. Okay, so we're just going to keep doing that. We're going to add the 3 black and go through the middle white on all these, and then I'll show you how to do the next row. Okay guys, I finished that black row, or I'm at the end here. I added three beads on my string here, and we're gonna go through the second black bead right there, and we're gonna take this string all the way through this black bead right here. We're gonna add 3 black, and we're gonna go through this white bead and these 2 black beads. Okay, and our pattern is gonna be black, black, white, black. And we're gonna go through the middle black bead. Black, white, black. And we're going through this middle black bead. Black, white, black. And we're going through this middle black bead. Okay, so this is what it should look like. I'm gonna go ahead and finish that, or finish this row, and then I'll show you. Well, you know what? No, we'll just keep going, because you're gonna need my help when we get up here. So black, white, black, and we're going through the middle black bead. Black, white, black, going through that middle black bead. Going through that black. Okay, now we're on the thumb hole part. We're going to add the black, white, black, and we're going to go through the middle white bead. We're going to add black, white, black, and we're going to go through this black bead. Black, white, black, and we're going to go through this these 2 black beads and this white one. Okay, so that's what it looks like. And we're going to start our next row. So that's 3, we're going to put on 3 white, and we're going to go through the middle white bead. We're going to add 3 white and go through the middle white bead. And I'm going to continue to do that until I get to the next row. I'll be back. Oh, just so you guys don't get confused, I'm still working on the white here, and I'm at the thumb hole here. You're going to put your 3 white on and go through this middle white bead, and then 3 white, and we're going to go through this middle white bead. But you can see how that looks. And this is the last row here. We're going to go through this middle white and these 2 white. And our pattern is black, white, black, and we're going through the middle white bead. Black, white, black, and we're going through that middle white bead. Alright, I'm going to continue that, and then I'll be back. Okay guys, I'm ready to start the last row, so I added the last white, or black, white, black, and we're going to go through this middle white bead, the black bead, and this white one. And the last row is all black. So we're going to add 3 black and go through the middle white bead. 3 black and go through the middle white bead. 3 black, go through the middle white bead. And you want to make sure you're pulling your string semi-tight. You want some stretch to it. So I'm just adding 3 black and I'm going through the middle white bead. Alright, we're to the end here. I'm going to cut some of that string off to make it easier to tie. And then you're going to want to tie it off. Alright guys, there it is. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.